Hi Year 1, I thought we would try and remember our rolling numbers. I'm going to do it with you first. We're going to do our 2s, then our 5s, then our 10s. Then I'm going to do it, but I'm not going to say anything. And I'm going to see if you can do it by yourself. All right? Let's start with our 2s. Hands up, ready? Team, good as gold. Let me see your fingers roll the 2s. Yeah. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and 22, 24. That's the way, I like it, Did you get them all right? Well done. Let's try our 5s. Are you ready? Team, good as gold. Let me see your fingers roll the 5s. Yeah. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Well done. Did you get them all right? All right, let's try our 10s. All right, ready? Team, good as gold. Let me see your fingers roll the 10s. Yeah. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. We're simply the best, better than all the rest. Well done. Did you get them all right? Okay. Let's go back to the beginning and let's try with our 2s. I'm going to do the hands, but I'm not going to say anything. So let's see if you can do it by yourself. Nice and loud so I can hear you. Are you ready? Team, good as gold. Let me see your fingers roll the 2s. Yeah. Brilliant. Did you get them all right? I hope so. Let's try our 5s. Hands up, fingers ready. I'm going to be quiet again. Ready? And team, good as gold. Let me see your fingers roll the 5s. Yeah. Well done. Really good job. Okay, let's do our last ones. They are our 10s. Ready? And team, good as gold. Let me see your fingers roll the 10s. Yeah. Well done. Did you get them all right? If not, go back to the beginning, try them all again. If you manage to do them really well, take a video of them, send them to Mrs. Khan, and she might put them up on our webpage. Happy practicing. Bye.